How to add or change camera mode shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, launch the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you want to swipe all the way to more. Then at the top, tap on the edit button. After that, you can add or remove items in the shortcuts down at the bottom here. Let's say I want to remove the slow motion, I can drag it to the top to remove it. And then if I want to add in any other mod, I can drag it down. So touch and hold, and then we drag it from this gray box into this shortcuts bar. And let's go. After that, tap on the save button. Now you can also touch and rearrange the order of your camera shortcuts, and then tap on save, and that's it. That's how you can add or change your camera mode shortcuts. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.